You're preparing to bring your Lincoln in for service, which can seem like a daunting task. However, the customer-centric approach here at Hennessy Lincoln of Atlanta is guaranteed to make sure you have an incredible experience. Allow me to show it to you. When you arrive at the service department, you will pull your vehicle onto the service drive, where you will then be greeted and directed to your service advisor. Once you have been directed to your service advisor, you will go over the scheduled maintenance for your vehicle for that day, as well as they will address any concerns or questions that you may have. If you have a Lincoln Black Label vehicle, we invite you to enjoy the specially designed Black Label Lounge made specifically for you when you're visiting our dealership. Once you have met with your service advisor, we invite you to take advantage of our customer lounge while you wait for your Lincoln to be serviced. Here you will find a variety of high-class amenities such as free Wi-Fi, a variety of snacks and drinks, and coffee to make your experience here relaxing and enjoyable. While your Lincoln is being serviced, if you are looking for the restrooms, you will find them conveniently located directly off of our customer lounge. You will find our operating hours conveniently posted on exterior doors around the building. If you are looking for parts, you will find our retail parts department conveniently located off the side of our service drive. We are excited to service your Lincoln vehicle and cannot wait to welcome you to the Hennessy Lincoln Atlanta family.